Hi everyone, welcome to this Excel tutorial where I will show you how to insert hyperlink in an Excel sheet. But before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest updates, and by the end of the video don't forget to hit the like button. First of all, let me to tell you what is hyperlink. A hyperlink is a clickable link that allows user to navigate to a website, file, email address or another location within a document. In Excel, hyperlinks can be used to quickly access external web pages, open files, jump to different worksheets, or send emails with a single click. So, if you want to add a hyperlink that opens a website, follow these steps. Open Microsoft Excel and click on the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink. Go to the Insert tab on the top menu. Click on Hyperlink. We can also use a shortcut key Ctrl plus K. A window will pop up on the left side. Select existing file on web page. In the address box, type or paste the website URL, for example www.google.com. In the text to display box, type the text you want to appear in the cell. For example, Google search. Click OK and your hyperlink is added. Now, when you click on the cell, it will open the website in your browser. Look, close it. We can also insert hyperlink to another Excel sheet. For this, select the cell where you want to place the hyperlink. Click Ctrl plus K. In the pop-up window, select Place in this document. A list of all worksheets in your Excel file will appear. Click on the sheet you want to link to. In the Type the Cell reference box, enter the specific cell where you want to jump. For example, A1. Click OK and the hyperlink will be created. Similarly, we can also insert a hyperlink to a file on a computer. You can also link to a document, image or any file stored on your computer. Select a cell and press Ctrl plus K. Click on existing file or web page. Click Browse and locate the file on your computer. Select the file and click OK. In the text to display box, enter the text for your hyperlink. For example, open report. Click OK and the hyperlink is ready. Also, we can insert hyperlink to an email addresses. Press Ctrl plus K. In the pop-up window, select email address. Add any text you want to display for your link. Enter an email address. Subject is optional. Press OK and look, hyperlink has been added to the email address. And that's it. Now you know how to insert hyperlink in an Excel sheet. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.